Come with me to make this beautiful romantic centerpieces idea that you're going to love, and the good things that is so inexpensive that you guys can make. So with that said, let's get started. Hello guys, so today we're going to take one of this glass from Dollar Tree. We're going to take these little roses and we're just going to go like bend it a little bit and then put the leaves like that so you can place it right in the middle like that. I didn't glue it, but if you want to glue it, you could just glue it too. Then I'm going to take this floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue around the floral foam like that, and then you're just going to go ahead and place it right on top to attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to take my toothpick and I'm going to place flour inside the floral foam, and you're going to continue doing this until you fill out the whole floral foam around it. You can add some cute details around it to make it cute, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple and easy that you guys can do at home. This could be like for a little home decor, or you could also do it for a party decorations. Now if you want to make it more elegant, so we're going to go ahead and do a different things now. So we're going to take another little base like that, and we're going to do the same process, but we're going to put the glass like upside down, and then we're going to put the flower right inside there like that. I'm not attaching it, but if you wanted to attach it, you could with a little bit of hot glue to the top of the flower, but I wanted to be like that, not all the way to the top. So just place it like that, and then I'm going to place the other one on top. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and grab some hot glue and place it around it here. You can make sure to use E6000 for all my videos. I just use the hot glue for the purpose of the video. And then after you do that, you attach it together, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is like more a taller version or of the other one, and I think it came out super cute, and it's easy that you guys can do it at home. You could also do it in different color as well. I think any color of this centerpiece will look great, and then you could do this for wedding or party decoration or whatever you guys want to use it for. Now for the next idea, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of this little glass. You could get any wine glass that you guys have. I found this one, and they have this sand in red color. They have different colors in Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside like that. I'm not gonna fill out the whole thing. I'm just gonna fill out the bottom part like that. Then I'm gonna spread it out and then just fill it up like in the middle. Then go ahead and place your flower right in the middle like that. And for the other one, we're going to do the same process. We're just going to go ahead and put some sand inside. And then I'm going to take this candle holder and place it right in there like that. Just make sure to place it right in the middle. Then after you guys do that, then you turn it on. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy, and cute that you guys can do at home. This is like more for, you could do it for like a table accessory, like to put it around of any centerpiece that you guys are doing. I think it will look super cute. And then this one, how it will look with a flower, I think it looks great as well. Either way that you guys do it, I think it's super cute, and it's something simple and easy when you guys don't have no time to decorate your table decorations. Or you could place both of them together like this one next to each other. You could put a big base centerpiece on the side if you guys would like it too. Now for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and grab the glass, and we're going to take the flower as well, but we're going to put hot glue. Make sure to put a lot of hot glue in here. Then after you put a lot of hot glue, you're going to bend down the cup like that, and then just place the flower there. Hold it into place, guys. You have to hold it and let it dry. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same process into the other centerpiece, and make sure when you put it, you hold it a little bit down like that, and then you let go. Then I'm going to go ahead and place some rocks at the bottom part. I just don't like it when it showed the hot glue, so I'm going to put rocks so it won't show. You can leave it as that if you don't mind, and you can leave it like this, just with the rocks and the flower. This is just to be a simple decorations for your table decor like that. You can also add up some candle in the middle, a little glass. Like, I'm giving you a different idea. But now if you want something different, I also put some water in here. Just fill it up all the way to the top, and then place a candle. And this is how cute you guys it turns out with a floating candle. I think it looks great, and it's super cute that you guys can do at home. Then we're going to take this metal red, and we're going to place it down like that. Then I'm going to grab this plate, and then I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and put it in the second ring like that, all the way around it. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top and attach it into place. Then go ahead and flip it around again. Then after that, I'm going to grab a few flowers. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the metal like that around it. So I'm going to put some red, I'm going to do some pink, and I'm going to alternate like that until I do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I grab this round mirrors, and I'm going to place it right in the middle like that. Then I'm going to place some candle on the top like that with some candle holder. You could also place lights if you would like it, or you could leave it without it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super simple, and so easy. And I loved it how it turns out, you guys. You can leave it with a candle, you can leave it without it. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. You can also use it to display candy as well. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of these little glass, and then I'm gonna put a flower right in the middle, like down top, and then I'm gonna place a light inside as well. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and place the glass on top. Don't put the light if you wanted to turn it on and turn it off. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a candle holder and place it right in the middle, and then I'm gonna take my flower and place it inside. Then go ahead and place another light right inside like that. Then go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue on your candle, and then just place the candle inside just to hold it into place. I also grabbed these cute little beads, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm gonna attach it right in the middle of the glass like that, and so I attach it all the way around it. Then after that, this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so cute, and so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. You can also put a smaller candle like this one. Then you can turn it on, and it will look super cute and super easy. And you could do a long candle, or you could do the short candle, or you could do this little short candle like that, and then all in white. I'm giving you a different idea that you guys can do, and then you decide which one you like the most. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these floral foam, and I'm going to take these square mirrors that they have in Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to put some hot glue in the corner like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my mirror and place it right in there like that. Just attach it into the floral foam like that. Then after that, I'm going to cut a little pieces of the floral foam, and then I'm going to attach it. If you see that you have that little gap, just attach a little bit of floral foam so it can match up. Then put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it to the mirror like that. So just hold it into place, and then you're going to continue doing that until you do all four mirrors around it and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to grab my flower, my toothpick, and then I'm going to place it inside like that, and then just go ahead and fill it up with your flower. You could do different color. I did some pink and red, and also some red and white like this one. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. I'm gonna take one of these round mirrors, spray painted in gold. Take a candle holder. I'm gonna place this round mirror, but you don't have to do it. I don't know why I did it. Then I'm gonna put some floral foam, make a little holder, and then just place the mirror on top and just attach it with hot glue. Place flower all the way around it like that to make it super cute. You could do a cute little leaves on the east side, and then I put a love sign in the middle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Today we're going to take this candle holder and spray paint it in gold. I'm going to take a little bit of floral foam and attach it into place. Then they also have this heart red in Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with flowers. I'm going to do two different colors. Then I'm going to take this rhinestone and place it in the middle of the heart. Take string lights, and you're going to place it around it just to make the heart super cute and light up. Then go ahead and attach it to the floral foam. Make sure to attach it really good with hot glue. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so cute. Now for Valentine's Day, this can be for a decor or party decorations, or it could be for wedding decoration. It's up to you. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.